apparently it's not going to rain today. I rushed for nothing. Oh well, such is life. Good afternoon, everybody. It looks like it's going to rain. So I wanted to get a quick mow in today before it gets too late and before we get drenched. But before I do, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the progress of the lawn in general. Looking pretty good in my opinion, but you be the judge. Well, let's start with the front of the lawn. I put down a boatload of compost and I think it's done a pretty good job. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to mow real quick. Wanted to get that done and take the top off because I want to make sure that it stays low. Flower beds are looking great. We put down a bunch of mulch. We're actually going to train the grass to grow up a little bit into the flower beds. We thought it was a little bit too low. Project lawn, put out a video on that. Looking really good. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. Our flower box is looking great. Lots of mulch, a few new plants, trying to keep them wet and make sure that they grow up nicely. Project lawn turns into some more of the regular lawn, and there are a lot of weeds here, but we put down compost. I had enough compost yesterday or this weekend to get it down to right about where the tree line is, just in this section, and it looks pretty good. We put that in, and the grass just doesn't want to grow there very well, so we figured we'd put that in and just make it more decorative. Eventually what we'll do is we'll put in a flower box like that one. We'll do something over here. The hill itself is looking good. It's growing. It's green, and I will probably end up scalping it, to be honest with you, just because I haven't mowed it in about a week. Bottom of the hill, which is my annex lawn, is looking pretty good. Put down a bunch of sand this past weekend actually, and you can see it's kind of uneven there, but that's because it turns out we had a bunch of deer yesterday. But that's okay, I don't mind that, because I will get some compost on that pretty soon. Put in a new pop-up drain. Over here is hopefully gonna grow in. I think the sun is a little bit too low still for us to get much sun there. And then this was the fall project lawn, which also is looking pretty good. Sorry about the air conditioner. It looks great. And then when we get up to the front of the lawn, it's looking good as well. Got compost down there. I'm gonna bag all the stuff. There's a few extra chunky pieces that hopefully the bag will pick up. But that's kind of the plan for today. Just do a quick mow. Hopefully I won't get drenched and be able to get it done. folks, just a quick little tour of the hill. As you can tell, it almost looks like I scalped it, but I didn't. This is just the way it's coming in. But I did take off some of the green only because I haven't mowed in a while. But it's looking really, really good. So far I am very, very happy with the way things have turned out. Don't mind the rake in the picture. All right, folks, that's pretty much it. As you can tell, I am filthy. What do you think of the shirt? Embrace the suck. Yeah, that's pretty much what this is. It was really dirty. All of this compost was really dry. So, you know, every time I went over it, it was good because it broke it up, and then I took a bunch of it and I put it down the bottom of the hill. So I think that'll be okay. But overall, I mean, I think the grass is coming in nicely. I had to scalp it a little bit just because I didn't mow the hill at all in the last few days. Actually, it's been over a week. So I think it's coming in really well. But anyway, if you like what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to mash the notification button. Enjoy the rest of your week and enjoy the weekend. We'll see you all in a bit.